Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 not shutdown problem. Type power and sleep options in Windows search bar. Click power and sleep settings. Click additional power settings. Click choose what the power buttons do. Click change settings that currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast start up. Click save changes. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click run as administrator. Type power CFG space H space off. Type exit from command prompt. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.